What's good, YouTube? So this is a mirror delete. I mean, as you can see right now, I don't have mirrors. But look at that. Oh, blinky blink. Oh, blinky blink. What's this? Blinky blink. But yeah, so this video I'm showing you guys is just me taking them off, putting in the blinkers, I guess you'd say. I got them on ALIEXPRESS. Here's a picture. They're really cheap and they're really easy to install. Obviously, it's just 2 bolts holding on your mirrors, and then you just unplug them. And then you plug in the new things and you put the plates on, and boom, it's done. Here's a quick little video of me doing that. But hope you guys like that quick, easy video. Until next time, I'll see you. Peace.